As we are at Sheva Asar B'Tammuz, it is important for us to take the time to remember the breaching of the walls of Jerusalem. We traditionally fast to help us better put our focus where it needs to be, to not think about our own personal needs, but to think beyond. This is a particularly important time to remember. We must remember. We must never forget. Those who do not remember the past are condemned to repeat it. We are building up towards Tisha B'Av, when we will especially remember the destruction of the temple. Without the breaching of the walls, the temple would never have been destroyed. One thing leads to another. What we did in the past brought us to where we are today. What we do today will play a part in creating the future into which we head. Sheva Asar B'Tammuz is an especially important day to focus and refocus on the lessons of the past. Multiple tragic events are said to have occurred on this day. Moses is said to have broken the first tablets of the Ten Commandments on this day in reaction to the people creating and beginning to worship the golden calf. Heading up to Bar Kokhba's revolt, the Roman military leader Apostomus is said to have burned a Torah on this day. During the siege of Jerusalem, the walls of the city are said to have been breached on this day. As we are fasting today from dawn to dusk, let us seriously learn and focus on the lessons to not allow such tragic events to plague us again. Please also remember that it is traditional for us to add Avinu Malkeinu to our morning prayers. We now begin Bein HaMetzarim, the solemn 3 weeks building up to Tisha B'Av. And please let us each do our part to not allow our walls to be breached.